my beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm making a lovely mac and cheese. 4 cheese mac and cheese. Come along with me. Let me show you how I make this delicious mac and cheese. Sister J's way, Sister J's style, Sister J's version. Sister J, the food tastes nice. Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I do it every time. Share with my friend, them comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When I cook, all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me I do it every time. Share with my friend, them comment, like. Sister J, real top chef, that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. Only spice every day in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world what we say when I time the cook, she no delay. So here are the ingredients for my mac and cheese. Right here I have some elbow macaroni. Elbow macaroni. And right here I have 2 cups of milk. Right here I have some bell pepper, otherwise sweet pepper of yellow and red. I have 2 eggs. I have some purple onions. I love the purple onions in my mac and cheese because it have this sweet taste that I like in my mac and cheese. It's different, you know, it tastes different from the other onion, but that's just me. So this is the cheese that I'm going to be using. Right here I have some Velveeta cheese, some sharp cheddar cheese, and some mozzarella cheese. Over here I have some Parmesan cheese. I have all-purpose seasoning, and here I have some butter. So guys, let's start making the macaroni and cheese. I'm going to put the macaroni to boil now. So now I'm going to put the elbow macaroni in to boil. I have the pot here on the fire with the water boiling. So I'm going to put the macaroni in. So I'm just going to have the macaroni boil until tender. So now the macaroni is ready. So I'm going to drain it off from the water. The macaroni is ready to drain off from the water. It's cooked nice and tender. So now I'm pouring the milk in the pot to make the sauce. Now I'm adding some butter to it. So I'm going to put some butter, a tablespoon of butter. I'm putting in the bell pepper or the sweet pepper. The onions. And I'm going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. Then I start to add the other ingredients. So guys, now it's time to add the cheese. Velveeta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and sharp cheddar cheese. Now it's time to add some Parmesan cheese. There's a lot of cheese here, guys, but I don't do this all the time. This is just a treat. Okay, guys, so this is the sauce. Nice and creamy. And remember, I have the onion and the bell pepper in it. And the butter. Yes. So this is for cheese. Mac and cheese. Diabetes cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, Mozzarella cheese. Guys, it's time to add the macaroni. Look at that, guys. Creamy, creamy. Mac and cheese. So now I'm gonna add the eggs that I already beat. Okay, so this is 2 eggs. I'm gonna have the eggs cooking it a little, and then I'm gonna grease the container to bake it in. I'm gonna put it in the oven, and then we're gonna have some mac and cheese. So I have my container already greased. So now it's time to pour the mac and cheese in. So guys, now I'm sprinkling some extra cheese on top. I'm using the sharp cheddar cheese on top. I have my oven set at 350°F, and I'm gonna bake this mac and cheese for 25 to 30 minutes. I'll see you guys when this lovely mac and cheese is done. There you have it, guys, my lovely mac and cheese. Yummy. I can't wait to have me a piece. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance.